is boring, your voice is bad. You look so ugly, bad at that. You are fake, you laugh so sad. Useless cheater, like it feels bad. Very wrong, very fake guy. Fake, 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 fake. Why are you so ugly and gross? Damn, you teeth are so gross. I hate your singing, it's horrible. Your singing is terrible. Nobody cares, he is a noob. So much auto-tune, I'm probably better than you. You are the worst, and you suck. Your cap sucks, you can't eat microphone. The shit is so fake, your voice is bad. You look so ugly, bad at that. For you, bitch, you laugh so sad. Useless cheater, like it feels bad. Looking extra ugly. This dude is so annoying. Yeah, this video's the worst. You made it sound worse. David's the best singer than you. Yo, I'm not super impressed. You fucking cheated, dick and stupid boy. You destroyed my fave songs. Fuck you, you like PewDiePie. You are super wrong. Nobody cares, he sounds like a douche. So much auto-tune, I'm probably better than you. He is a noob, you suck dude. Nope, nope, nope. Romeo kinda look like a cat. I hate him so much, voice is bad. Your channel's dying, you look fat. You are fake, you laugh so sad. I'm unsubscribing like it feels bad.